Hi, so what you're looking at right now is a mobile application that we've developed specifically for your business and for your company. And in a moment, I'm going to go through this entire app with you and show you all the benefits and all the functionality that come along with having your own mobile app. So if you're interested in using mobile marketing to get new customers, have your existing customers come in more often, and have them buy more stuff from you, I'm going to urge you to stay on and watch this short video to the very end. But first, I'd like to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Norman Ho, and I work with a company called Thou Shalt Have Apps. And what we do is we develop mobile applications for the iPhone and Android phones for businesses just like you. And why is that so important? Well, if you haven't heard, the mobile industry is booming. iPhones and Androids are proliferating and growing at an alarming rate. In fact, the New York Times has recently been quoted as saying that mobile marketing is the most powerful media ever invented. Now, if you think about it, it really does make sense. Let's take a look at the recent evolution of media. In the not-so-distant past, the main type of media used for marketing was television and radio, and obviously these still are used today in a big way. But the main barrier to this form of media is price. To get your ad up on TV or radio costs a good amount of money. Now, fast forward to the late 1990s and early 2000s, and it's obvious that internet marketing has really taken over. Every major company out there has adopted the internet and has integrated it into part of their marketing plan. But now, there's a new platform for marketing, a new wave for marketing, and that's mobile marketing. And this new wave of marketing is presenting businesses with a huge, huge opportunity. And it isn't really a question of if your business is going to be affected by mobile marketing. It's a question of when and on what side you're going to end up on. Because if you don't incorporate mobile marketing into your overall game plan, I can assure you that your competition will. And if you wait too long, you're going to end up on the wrong side of the fence. You will have missed the wave, right? Because as with any opportunity, those people who jump on and who implement the fastest see the greatest rewards. So let's take a look at some stats so we can see exactly why you need an app. Well, first off, the market is absolutely huge. It has been estimated that there will be over 1 billion smartphones on the planet by 2013. By 2014, the mobile market is going to be worth anywhere from 38 to 58 billion dollars. And Google has seen what's coming. And as a result, they've recently spent $12.5 billion to acquire Motorola. And that's largely due to the fact that 10% of Google's page views come from mobile devices. There have been over 100 billion push notifications sent. So what exactly is a push notification? Well, a push notification is really what makes the difference between a mobile application and a mobile website. A push notification allows the owner of an app to push or send a message onto the phone of whoever has downloaded the app. Now, this message gets opened and read 97% of the time. When you compare that with email, which gets about a 4% open rate, or other types of direct mail, which usually have about a 1 to 2% open rate, you can quickly see why this is the future of marketing. So let's take a look at some of the various forms of media, and you might currently be using some of these to promote your own business. And these are impressive numbers. Newspapers reach about 480 million people. Cable and satellite TV reach about 850 million people. Personal computers reach 1 billion people. But now, let's compare these to mobile phones and the potential that comes along with mobile marketing. There are 5.2 billion mobile phone subscribers. Many of these mobile phone users access the web solely through their mobile phones, meaning they don't have or really use their personal computers to access the internet. There are 4 times more cell phone users than there are PC or laptop users. 80% of the people who are living in the US have a mobile phone. Welcome to the app revolution. Mobile devices and tablets are taking over. Apps are replacing websites, and the whole world is going mobile. And it's time for you and your business to go mobile as well. So let's go over the key benefits of having your own mobile app. Well, first of all, you will have a one-on-one, intimate communication with your customers. People go to sleep with their phones. They wake up with their phones and they use them throughout the day. And now you can be on their phones. You can download your entire business onto their phones. Push notifications. These messages get opened 97% of the time and allow you to offer your customers specials, discounts, reminders, and coupons at the push of a button. You can literally reach out over their phones and pull your customers into your business. Constant branding. Your app and your brand lives on their phone 24 hours a day. A platform for proof. Mobile apps give you a way to put your testimonials, your videos, and other important information in front of your customers 24 hours a day. GPS directions to your location. So let's say someone calls you and asks for directions. What you can do then is you can tell them to go download your app, and in that way they could get GPS directions from where they're currently at directly to your store through the app. One-tap calling from their mobile device. Connecting your app to your Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube account. And viral marketing. Because if you provide real value and real information on your app, people are going to share it. Think about it. If your friend told you, hey, I got a free margarita because I just downloaded this app, chances are you're going to download it too. And I'll show you exactly how you can make that happen. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the custom built app that we created just for your business. Hey guys, this is Norman. We're at the app previewer. All you have to do is come over to seeyourapplive.com. It should be behind the screen. But you come here, you'll see a screen just like this. Click on this button right here. It looks like a play button. It's going to bring up the app previewer. The app previewer, sometimes in this beginning part, gets a little laggy because a lot of people are previewing their apps. But when you see a screen like this, you click in this bar here, and you type in your app code. And your app code is Barragans 1. Type that in, hit load demo. It's going to bring up a demo of your app. And first thing is there's this pop-up that's designed to help you build your mailing list. I'm going to hit no. And this is your home screen. And what I did is I took elements from your website and I kind of condensed them down into a format that makes sense for the phone. And the home screen is completely customizable, right? If you wanted to, you could change this image out of the dish. You could give it a different feel. You could have maybe like a Christmas feel, or like a New Year's feel, or a summer feel, or a winter feel. These are not live right now because we're on a computer, but if this was on a phone, if you tap this, it would call directly to your store. You could get GPS directions to your store, and this lets your customers share the app with other people. So as you can see, they can share it by email, through Facebook, Twitter, or through a text. As you can see down here, here are some of the tabs. This is the menu tab. And again, I took these from your website. So let's see, click on this. It'll bring up your menu items. You can see there's the prices and items. Also, I know you guys had pictures, so I did a couple of these. So this is chiles con huevos, I think. That's how you say it. No, chilaquiles con huevos. I know some of these doesn't have pictures, but you guys could put in pictures if you want. Again, everything about this app is customizable. Here's the location tab. I know you guys have 3 locations, so there's 3 locations here. Click on this. This is going to be changed out when the app goes live. Again, view map directions, call us. You can go straight to your website on the phone to your website. People can email you. I've got your opening hours over here. This is your messages tab. So remember I was talking about the push notifications. When the push notifications, if they put it to the side, they would come into this tab. So you could have a push notification come out and say, "Oh, it's I don't know, Tamale Thursday or something, or Burrito Friday," because I know you guys have Taco Mondays and all. So you could do messages like that, or like you could do like 2 for 1 beers or something. Here's a more tab. So as you can see, there's a lot more features here. About us. Again, I took this from your website. I think it's the history of your restaurant. Newsletter. So if someone were to click on that initial pop-up, they'd come to this screen, and that faded out Barragans image in the background. That again is customizable. So you could have a different image on this page, a different image on your home page, designed to build your email list. Events. Again, I like Taco Mondays, and I know you had other events, but I forgot what they were. So this is what I put in for you right here. You can add more. Fan wall. So this is like if your customers come in and they have a good experience, they can come right into the app and leave a comment here, right? And other customers will come in and see, hey, so and so left a good comment. That's cool. Or if like someone leaves maybe an inappropriate comment, of course it's at your discretion to take it down if you want. Tip calculator. This is a cool feature because look, tip calculator again is branded to your business. So let's say someone downloaded your app and they wanted to use a tip calculator, and they know that your app has a tip calculator, but they might be in another restaurant. So they pull out your tip calculator. They're being reminded of your brand and your business, but they're in someone else's restaurant. So I thought that's pretty cool. Image gallery. Again, I took a lot of these different images from your website, but you could put up any images you want, completely customizable. Send us your pic. This is where your customers would use their smartphones, take a picture, they can post it up to your app. So you don't have to do all the photography work yourself. You can have your customers do some of the work for you. QR coupons. Okay, a QR coupon is kind of like a barcode. I'm not sure if you're familiar with it. I'll try to include something in the email, but it basically, if your customer comes in and scans the QR coupon with their phone, they can start to build up these credits. As you can see, there's like 0 for 1 right now, and if you could set it to like 10 scans or 5 scans, and then when they reach that number of scans, you can unlock whatever type of reward or incentive you want to give them. So that encourages them to come back into the store. Here I put 2 for 1 tacos, but you could put whatever type of promotion you wanted to put here, and it's going to encourage your customers to come back in over and over and over to get these rewards. Uh, Scroll down some more. Here's a check-in coupon. The check-in coupon works off of the phone's internal GPS system, and instead of having to scan the QR coupon, your customer could come to this one, and here they could just check in right here. And I put this 10 times for a free entree. I don't know if you want to do that, but again, it's another way to incentivize your customers to keep coming back in. You don't have to deal with punch cards or anything like that. It's done all through the app. And then I hooked it up to your Yelp um, account right here. And if you guys had Facebook or Twitter or a blog or anything like that, we could also hook those up into the app. And there are other types of functionality in these apps, but these are the ones that are most pertinent to restaurants. And this is basically a quick mock-up we did. And if you're interested in this, if you'd like to talk more about this, you can either call us. Phone number is 818-794-9190, or you can email us at info@thoushallthaveapps.com. And once again, my name is Norman Ho with Thou Shalt Have Apps. Thanks for your time. Take care.